Hi, I'm Jodie Riley and I'm the CEO of PamperBook. I'm a qualified beautician, previous salon owner and entrepreneur. After recognising a huge gap in the market with both business and personal perspective, I began to step into the digital world to help others make an easy way of booking their appointments. As a salon owner using the dreaded paper diary and phone call bookings, my days would sometimes consume of organising appointments taking up so much of my time. I would even miss out on appointments because it would take me that long to organise my diary. I wouldn't even be able to get back to appointment requests. I noticed that this was not just needed as a business owner, but also from the consumer wanting to book appointments to make their life easier. As a modern day woman, I enjoy treating myself and I like to book beauty appointments easy without making much contact and that back and forth. This is where PamperBook would step in and cut out the hard parts. PamperBook acts as a business owner's digital PA, only the owner doesn't need to pay the hefty salary that comes with the role. It allows the community to concentrate more on their marketing to gain more bookings and a better platform to attract more business. From freelancers to salon owners, we have successfully built a product which caters for all.
PamperBook is one of the UK's leading appointment booking software apps for salons, spas and freelance businesses, with over 90,000 appointments booked in the past year. Given we've had 3 lockdowns, it's safe to say we're growing rapidly. With your investment, we aim to completely revolutionise the way that businesses manage the bookings and how consumers book their appointments. Currently, we have salons based all over the UK and we would utilise this investment for more marketing and in-house development to help us achieve our customer marketing platform plans.
We have created a brand that perfectly represents our target market, and we appeal to users more than our competitors by having the following USP, as we are a pink booking app. The beauty industry is predominantly female-led, and therefore us having a pink booking app sets us apart from our competitors. We've expanded into beauty professionals within the industry that are well known and have a high following to use the PamperBook app and promote it to their trusted followers. Being available to our users and being able to help with any issues that they may have is really important to us and sets us apart from our competitors. We have created video tutorials on our Instagram page, and we also send out a welcome pack to every single user, which includes hints and tips on how to get the best out of their PamperBook diary and also a step-by-step guide of setting up their diary. Help us on our mission with an app created by a beautician for beauticians.